Good morning to all of you. So our next topic is here that today we are going to do, that is a packing efficiency. Okay, our next topic is that see the packing efficiency. Okay, so whenever we are studying about the packing efficiency. So students, packing efficiency means that how much space spheres are occupying. Whenever we are talking about the BCC, FCC, or body centered cubic. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you the formula of the packing fraction or packing efficiency. Packing fraction formula is there: volume occupied by the atom, volume occupied by the atom upon volume of unit cell, in 200. Is that clear? In 200. Okay, this one is there, but this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula that we are usually writing. And see, after that, now we will do it one by one. What we will do here, we will do it here one by one. And just remember one thing more, students, here you have to multiply with a z also. Z, here z will be the number of atom as we have calculated. In the simple cube it is 1, okay, and in the BCC it is 2, in the FCC it is 4. That values we have to write over there. Okay, so we will do it all one by one. Let's start with the number 1. Number 1 is here that we are having. Number 1 that we are going to start with a simple cube. For the simple cube, I hope you on that day we have find out the relation between edge length, radius, and the distance. So what to do there in this case? For the simple cube, you see the formula for the packing fraction is, yes, z into, मैं पहले बता दूंगा आपको, volume occupied by the atoms upon volume of cube into 100. Now all of you see there. But whenever we are talking about the volume of the atom will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is it, the volume? Volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes or no? Volume of atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and z value is here 1, because you know very well number of atom for the simple cube is 1. Okay, then after that, beta, and volume of cube will be equal to what? A cube. Yes or no? But all these values we are going to fill over there. All these value we are going to fill over here in this formula. We'll fill one by one. You just see there. But z value is 1, so I will write there 1. Clear? And same way, value of the volume. Okay, volume is what? Volume I am having, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is that clear to you? Now after that, beta, I have to fill the volume of the cube. What to fill there? Volume of the cube. And see, all of you, please see there. Yes, volume of the cube is a cube. Z is 1, 4 by 3 pi r cube, a cube into 100. Clear? Then after that, bache, we have to fill the value of the r that already we have calculated in the derivation of relation between edge length, radius, and the shortest distance or nearest neighbor distance. I hope you all are knowing very well. Beta, there R value was a by 2. R value was a by 2. Am I right? So what we can do at the place of R, what we can fill there? We can fill there a by 2. At the place of R, we can fill there a by 2 cube. Is that clear? And then after solving this one, what we will get? Okay, beta, we are getting it pi by 6 into 100, and that one we are getting 52.4%. What we are getting there? 52.4%. Then what does it mean? It means this is the packing fraction. So what will be the empty space? All of you see there, it means empty space. Okay, empty space is 100 minus 52.4. okay beta, empty space will be what? 100 minus 52.4. okay, कितनी आ जाएगी वो? 100 minus 52.4. okay, that will remain 47.6%. okay, this is the empty space in a simple cube. I hope you all have cleared this one. Okay student, now we will move towards next one. Okay, now we are going to move towards next one, that is a next one is here BCC. For the BCC, so whenever we are talking about the BCC, what to do there beta? Formula of the packing fraction or packing efficiency you know very well. I will write once again. Packing efficiency or packing fraction formula is Z into volume of atom upon volume of the cube into 100. Now all of you see there very carefully beta. Here Z value is for BCC is 2, as we know very well, and volume of the atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Am I right? 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of the cube is a cube. Am I right? So we can put all these values over here. All of you see there, one by one I am going to put all the values over here only. Okay, in this formula only. You just see there. Now Z value is 2, here 4 by 3 pi r cube, and here a cube. I hope you are getting my point, all of you. Beta ji, after that, in the relation of A, R and D, we have find out their value of the R. What we have find out? We have find out the value of the R over there, and beta जी R value was there. ठीक है, हमारे पास R की वैल्यू थी √3/4 into A. Okay, this particular value we can put it over here, yes or no? So it will become √3/4 into A the cube, yes or no? From there, after calculating this one, we can calculate this one, and after calculation of this one, what we are getting there beta? We are getting it 68%. What we are getting there? 68%. It means this is a volume occupied. Okay, and empty space, yes, now you know very well. Empty space will be 100 minus 68, and that becomes, yes, 32%. Is that clear? Student, this was there for the BCC. Okay, so next one we have to start for the FCC. For what we are going to start for the FCC. You just see there, all of you, when we are going to start for the FCC. Beta ji, now everybody is knowing packing efficiency or packing fraction, formula will be same, as you know very well. Okay, then what to do there? See, I am writing the formula here again, once again, Z into volume of atom upon volume of Q into 100. You see all of you there now. Here Z value is 4 because in the FCC there are number of atoms are 4. Oh, yes or no? And volume of atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cube is a cube. Is that clear? Now we can fill the values over there one by one, and when we are filling the values over there one by one, then what to do there? See, all of you see it very carefully what I am going to do there. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into a cube. Okay, now let's see. We have to see the values. What we have find out, again I am telling you, in the relation of A, R and D, where we have find out in the relation of A, R and the D, we have find out. Okay, that value is, you can see there, R value. Okay, R value was there A by 2 root 2, and that value we can fill it over here. Okay, and that will become A by 2 root 2 the cube. Yes or no? And after doing this one, what we are getting there, beta? We are getting its value after the calculation 74%. Okay, what we are getting there? 74%. It is a packing efficiency. And the empty space, how to find out? 100 minus 74, that is equal to 26%. I think it's clear to you, to all of you. I hope you understood my point. So but once again I will revise you. So what we have done over there, in this case we have done there that in a simple cube, packing efficiency was 47.6%. Then we have done BCC. Okay, and in the BCC it is 32%. Then we have done FCC, and in the FCC it is, last one is here, 26%. Thank you so much, students. I hope you all have understood. Any problem is there, you can mention in the comment. Thank you so much to all of you.